Welcome! In front of me I have Realme Watch 3 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to charge this watch. Before we start, if you want to charge this watch, you will need a couple of things. You will need to have the charging cable that was provided with your watch. It looks like this. You have the base and the USB end of the cable, and also you will need access to the charging brick or maybe computer to which you can plug in the USB end of the charging cable. I have a charging brick and I'm gonna use it. Also, I'm gonna use this extension cable to plug it in because my outlet is quite far away. So I'm gonna plug this extension cable to my charger, to the charging brick. So I'm gonna plug the USB end to it, then plug the charging brick into a wall, or outlet rather. And now I'm gonna plug the USB end of the charging cable for our watch to the extension cable, like this. And then we can plug the watch to the charger. Basically, you take the station, the charging station, and you align the pins on the station with the watch. You have 2 pins right here and 2 pins right here. So you need to place the watch like this. It's magnetic, so it's gonna snap to the charging base like this. As you can see now, the watch is charging. And once you're done charging the watch, you can simply pick it up from the base. And then you can unplug the rest from the power. Okay, and that's how you charge this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.